Hello, I'm Audrey Rust.
I am Matthew Haley.
Hi, I'm Maria.
Hi, my name's Alana Arroyo.
Hi, I'm Dominic. I'm in 10th grade.
I'm a sophomore at Sato Academy of Math and Science.
I am part of the engineering pathway.
I got involved in drone soccer because my teacher, Mr. Gallo, he asked me if I wanted to do it, and I said I was totally into it.
And then I'm on the drone soccer team. Let's go.
What I like most about drone soccer is
Drone soccer is chaotic. I like chaos.
Well, I heard you crying loud all the way across town. You've been searching for that someone, and it's me out on the crowd. As you sit around feeling sorry for yourself. Well, don't get lonely now, and try your white eyes. I'm just living for the moment, squeezing my back just a tangent. So uptight, you've been thinking about it.
Favorite trip was to San Francisco.
that was a really great time. It was my first time going to San Francisco and seeing the Golden Gate Bridge, and also just checking out different places and going to the Mare Island drone show. That was so much fun.
We saw fireworks made out of drones.
That's when I think I really found my confidence as a pilot, and also had a great time with a bunch of friends.
No time to search the world around, 'cause you know where I'll be found when I come around. Oh, when I come around.
My favorite memory from probably all of the trips was when Michael made a checklist of things we had to make sure we had before we went off to competition, and at the end it said, "We ball."
No time to search the world around, 'cause you know where I'll be found when I come around. Oh, when I come around. Oh, when I come around. When I come around.
Over sideways and under on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world.
My favorite trip that we took, well, I have my top two. One being Germany. We got to go to Germany.
Talking away, though I don't know what I'm to say, I'll say it anyway. Today is another day to find you.
My second favorite was the first nationals, of course.
First trip, the trip to New York.
When it was the first national competition, red team, they won first and beat the Sky Blazers, and then everyone ran down to the field, and we're all jumping and hugging each other and screaming, and it was really sweet, and I was so happy for everybody, and everyone else was so happy for each other, and it was such an awesome experience, and it's one I'll never forget.
Because that's just like, it's legendary. I think that's where we really grew as a team.
Where are you going after graduation?
After graduation, I'm going to Embry-Riddle in Daytona Beach.
In the fall, I'll be attending Brigham Young University.
So after I graduate, I think we're gonna go to like a restaurant and then have like a dinner. And then I'm gonna like probably go to my mom's house.
After graduation, I'm going to Cal Poly SLO and studying mechanical engineering.
So when are UC applications due? After graduation, I'm going to be a bum and play guitar as a career.
After graduating, I'm going to CSULB Go Beach, and I'm studying mechanical engineering.
Next year, I'm going to major in aerospace at CSULB.
Psych, I'm going to UCI.
But we need money.
I just want to say thank you to all my teammates. You guys are just the best, and I've made this such an incredible experience that I'll remember forever, definitely. And thank you to Mr. Gaio for just providing us with this opportunity and allowing it to really change our lives.